Hello guys, and welcome to another Wizard Watch video. Today we're going to show you a Seiko watch. This is the Baby Marine SBDC065. So before we start with this review, if you're new to my videos, please subscribe to this channel and turn your notifications on. Then you can get future updates about upcoming videos. So let's open the box now. Inside we have the Seiko warranty card and Seiko instruction manual. The card is here inside. Here we have also the tags that come with the watch, the prospects one, the die shield, and the reference number, the SBDC065. In the box we get very nice blue silicone strap. It's a 20mm. We get fancy locker and buckle. And here our watch. And boom. So as always, we first start talking about the movement inside. In this one we get the caliber 6R15. This movement doing 6 beats per second. You have a shock system that's called die shock. This one we get also 50 hours of power reserve. We have 23 joules in this caliber. The accuracy rating in this one is a -15 plus 25 seconds per day. The movement is hacking and winding. The accuracy test that I did, this one doing +2 plus 3 seconds per day, which is really great for the price for this watch. Let's move now to the specs. In this watch we get screw down crown, we get stainless steel case with die shield protection. The glass is a sapphire glass with AR coating. This watch is anti-magnetic. The bezel is 120 clicks unidirectional bezel. It's aluminium. Very nice action and move. Very smooth. This one we don't have alignment issues. I don't believe in that price. Let's say the $1,000 and above, you will have that alignment issues, but you can never know until you get one. We have 200 of water resistance. We get very nice Seiko bracelet with double lock clasp and push button release. Built really nice. As you see, we get also 4 micro adjustments, solid links, solid end links. We also get drill lugs, which is make the changing the strap very easy. Let's have a look now on the case back. We get screw down case back, really cute, as you see with the Seiko and Prospex logo. Sapphire glass, made in Japan, 200 water resistance. Really nice. Now let's show the dimensions for this one, and you will see although the numbers are kind of big. This watch wears a lot smaller. We get, I'll want to show you first the dimension of the bezel, that you will understand what I'm talking about. If I measure the bezel, we get 41 millimeter. If I measure the case, we get 43.5. The lug to lug is 50. The thickness is 12.7, and strap size is 20, of course. So let's have a reshot now. And you will see that this watch wears and sits very nice to my 6.8-inch wrist. And boom. So as you see, the Baby Marine sits really nice. It is actually a lot smaller than the Marine Master, but although these both watches will give you the illusion that they wear a lot smaller, I think the Baby Marine sits, or sorry, not sits, look a lot smaller on the wrist instead of this Baby Marine that look a bit bigger, but they both sits very well. It's a beautiful timepiece. It have cool case structure that sits really nice on the hand. So let's remove the watch now. Now we will have outdoor shot, and then we get back here. Now we can see the dial, the blue dial. It's a very gorgeous one. Now we can have a look how the dial play with the sun, how the colors pop out. Also we can have a look on the killer polishing on the sides of the case. It's almost like Zaratsu, almost. Now we'll have a closer look on the dial. It's a really beautiful one. Also on the bracelet. Okay, let's have a loom shot now. As you see, the watch only being charged from the studio light, and it glows very well. Seiko Lumi Bright is always strong. Let's boost them up a little bit. And boom. Crazy. I can say that this one and the Marine Master glows almost the same. Maybe this one a bit less, but still glows very well. As you see, you can read the time very easy, no problem at all, and it will stay like this very long. Okay, now we'll turn on the lights now. So guys, this was the Baby Marine, the blue dial version, the SBDC065. This watch cost $1,200. I only have few complaints on the watch. The first one is that Seiko should made a smaller version for this watch, and also for the Marine Monster, for the Marine Master, and for guys with a smaller wrist, of course. And also in that price I'm expecting to get ceramic bezel or at least signed crown. Overall, it's a great, beautiful timepiece, very accurate, and this watch worth the money spent on him, because really beautiful, sits well, and doing very good time. If you buy this watch, you will enjoy it really a lot, because it will give you that premium feel. So guys, I hope you're enjoying this video. Please, if you can, like and subscribe to this channel, it will help a lot. I will see you in the next one. Goodbye.